Hey, my name is Adriana Linares. I talk about Shakira. Shakira is from Barranquilla, Colombia. She is 43 years old. Her full name is Shakira Isabel Mebarak Ripoll. Her birthday is February 2nd. She lives in Barcelona with her husband and her children. She is a singer. I admire because she is national pride and I love fierce songs. She is small and thin, her brown eyes, her curly and yellow hair. She is very beautiful. Her husband is a football player. He is tall and thin. I imagine her daily routine. She gets up at 6 o'clock. She eats breakfast, toast, banana, and milkshake. After she goes at the gym, in-house, of course. After eats lunch with her sons. Later, she goes at the rehearsal hall. Later, she and her husband watch TV. Finally, she and her family dinner together. And later, she goes to bed. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.